Yes.
Okay, my people, you all are welcome. Thank you all for the support you showed to us during the public hearing in Uyo and also in Enugu State.
Yes, sir.
We are done. As you can see, we are going back home. Anema State is a done deal, so you have nothing to worry about.
Yes,
Igbo Bofu. Look at Deputy Jesus.
Yes.
Shining.
Yes.
Look at Elder Boyogu. Ikenga. Look at Almighty. Odogwu Ogume.
Yes,
we push. We push. As we dey push, we dey move. Anyhow where the movement be, we keep moving. Nothing dey happen. Igbo Bofu. We are unstoppable. Anema State is going to the southeast.
Yes,
Nobody go fit stop am.
You see, my people, they say that the drive for a boat, now they see the eyes, and
yes,
they see the tail.
Yes,
and the man will go where they belong.
Yes, so you be Igbo.
Don't deny yourself. The Asian doctrine not for children. River Niger not be boundary.
I dey tell you, River Niger not be boundary.
So we feel.
Now what do you talk today?
River Niger
not be boundary.
I dey tell you, the word enter.
So what I want to tell you now be say, we just coming back from. Senate public here in 2025.
Yes, so
for the adjustment of boundary, creation of state, and that related matters. We cannot speak number too much. What now they just put your better so we go and thank God for when they say that they look into matter when they take great state.
Yes, sir.
And no matter what the state of biggest the way they take it.
Yes, sir.
There's all the boundary when they adjust and to. That's why they speak Bia when they that state like Edo,
yes.
Benue.
They go carry them come
back to where they belong.
Yes, sir.
Now I know what they do. For the Senate public hearing on state creation and boundary adjustment, another they come from. Where would they come from? We will go there say, group, what they call it, International
Cultural Organization.
And the minute there's no go there. In fact, we'll come back. We'll conquer. You see, I'm like,
we move.
Power!
Power!
Power!